I'm today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M22 Plus, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the notification sound. The currently sound is the space line, and now we can select one from these volume buttons, notification sounds. And for example, this one on the old camera, so that doesn't matter. And now you should go back and you'll see here the changes that we just successfully changed our notification sound to another one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.